thinking? Does it look like I'm glowing? So many superheroes, and everybody tries to copy them, but I'm going to be original. Ladybug Girl! You can just call her the Freak. We're gonna roam. One part. Do you have a poodle? Lock it down. Break the pickle. Tickle, tickle. I'm Jenny. And I'm Christina. Not. Because, you know, I could never be Jenny. Gosh! I hate